Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger channel. In the last video, we have talked about the Ansel Adams zone system. And this time, we will continue with these types of tones. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. First, let's go back to this picture. In the zoom system, 0 is a pure black, 10 is pure white, and 1, 2, 3 stands for the low level of brightness, 4 to 6 for medium brightness, 7 to 9 for high brightness. Many of the photos we commonly see span across multiple lightness levels. But in fact, it is possible to express a picture through just 3 levels. And here, we would like to introduce the concept of tone. In the zoom system, we consider any 3-span level as a short tone, any 5-span level as a mid-tone, and a quarter level across from 0 to 10 as long tone. So now, we can take lightness as a vertical coordinate and set a tone as a horizontal coordinate to establish a coordinate system. Then, based on that, we can create a variety of tone relationships. Through the relationship between the light and dark level of the frame, the contrast between the virtual and reality, and the color shades, the flow of light and change can convey different feelings of the picture. For the low long tone, this film contains a large area of dark colors, but it features both black and white, with a very long span of color level and a great depth of expression. For low mid-tone, again, it is dominated by black, but without the extreme bright color, and many uses the intermediate part of the gray tone to demonstrate. The low short tone, the film is very dark, and there is no very obvious difference between light and dark relation in this. In mid-long tone, the main color is gray, with black and white, and most of the films we watch use this color tone, which is characterized by a lot of mid-tone details, as well as very bright highlights and very dark shadows. In mid-mid-tone, the mid-mid-tone is also dominated by the gray, but without much extreme light and dark. But the image also has a great sense of layering. The mid-short tone is basically all gray, with less distinct layers, and is hazier, so if you shoot on a foggy day, this should be the tone you use. In highlight tone, the bright part is the main part, but there are some other details as well. The high mid-tone is based mainly on the bright color, with certain details, but there is no extreme dark color. High short tone is mostly bright, with less detail. The high tone often gives people a bright, pure, and crisp feeling, and is suitable for expressing image of women and children. The low tone can make people feel determined, steady, and composed, and can also demonstrate darkness and heaviness. There is an obvious effect of volume, weight, and contrast. The intermediate tone has a rich and delicate picture level, which can present different emotional colors with different image, dynamic momentum, colors, and light. Of course, to express the style of the film through the tone, in addition to adjusting the light and angle of shooting in the early stage, you can also achieve some adjustment through post-production. For example, in VideoProc Vlogger, we can import the material to video track. Then click Color to enter the color editor. Change the exposure, contrast, and other parameters to adjust the tone of the whole picture to better express the mood of the film. Well, this is all for today's video. And if you want to know more about other editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!